You've likely encountered or tasted this beloved street food classic. This Filipino street food is a universal favorite, enjoyed by students grabbing a quick bite after class and office workers seeking a satisfying and familiar meal. The dish features savory egg noodles topped with various siomai flavors. Finish it with some fried garlic, chili sauce, and a squeeze of calamansi for a truly comforting street food experience. Today, I'll show you how to recreate this dish in your own kitchen. Let's start with our noodles. In this recipe, I'm using 200 grams of dried egg noodles, cooked a couple of minutes less than the package instructions. Now let's make our base flavoring. Soy sauce, sugar, mirin, oyster sauce, more soy sauce, a little bit of water, and set aside. Let's steam our pre-made siomai. Cook the siomai according to the package instructions. Normally, steaming it will take between 12 to 15 minutes. Chop your onions. Set aside. Garlic. Mince. Set aside. Let's heat up our wok. Add some cooking oil. Traditionally, fried noodle vendors don't put aromatics in this dish, possibly to save on food costs and raise their margins. But because we're making this dish at home, we're more concerned about the flavor. Add your mung bean sprouts, add your noodles, now let's add our base sauce. Mix it around. More bean sprouts. And some sesame oil. Mix. Toss. And serve. Add your steamed siomai. Some homemade chili garlic sauce. fried crispy garlic. And you're done.
The guy was, in fact, not done, because yet again he forgot one key ingredient. Some good old calamansi to complete all the dish's flavors. But let's just pretend he didn't forget, and let's get on with the video.
Noodles. Chili oil. Panalo. Sarap. Try this out. Very easy to make. Very delicious.